Do they always have those chants?
I don't know.
Songs?
It
I
must
wonder
be
what
like
that
a rowing
was.
club or something.
A rowing club. That's so cool. And this boat is just amazing.
I want that boat.
What is it again?
I think it's a Concordia yawl. But it's a yawl of some kind.
Really pretty. What makes it a yawl?
I mean, the mizzen mast is behind the rudder skeg and the rudder post. That's what makes it a yawl.
Okay.
That's the difference between a yawl and a ketch. The ketch, the mizzen mast would be forward of the rudder post.
Oh, neat.
But that thing is a yawl. Super cool boat.
Yeah. Well, we're going to be here in Belfast for a few more days because the sail drives are not fixed.
Should have done it myself.
Should have done yourself. Yeah, we're going to be here for a few more days. They have to haul the boat out hopefully soon.
And it's Memorial or Labor Day weekend, so it's probably going to sit here for 4 or 5 days before they even do anything.
Yeah, so.
Totally messed up our whole plan.
Yeah, it's
Nice.
boating. So, I guess we kind of expected delays. But we're gonna go for a walk, get some oysters, check out the town. Timmy's happy. Yeah. All right, welcome back to Sailing Chronicles. We are leaving Port Clyde, heading to Cape Porpoise. We've had some unfortunate events happen. One major, Jesse has to have surgery on Friday on his left proximal hamstring muscle. Complete tear in a surfing accident. So it has completely changed our plans for the winter, for the fall and the winter. So I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're heading to Cape Porpoise, and we're gonna keep the boat in DeMillo's right there in the river in Kennebunk for at least a few months, and then he's gonna get better, and then we'll make a plan. Hey, what's up? I'm testing my mic. It is mid-September in Maine, and as you can see, it's a little bit chilly out here. I just cleaned the galley. We are on our way to Seguin. I guess Tula was just there, and we're hoping that there's going to be a mooring. If not, we're going to have to move on. I don't know where we're going to go yet, but I am testing out my new mic. It's called this. I got it on TikTok, so it was like $5. So we're going to see if it works better. We are going to Seguin Island, and it has the super cool lighthouse on it. You can see it right there. And Seguin Island is just off the coast of Popham. It's 100 feet above sea level, and it became a lighthouse. It was approved by George Washington. There's a legend here at this lighthouse that the keeper and his wife lived here, and his wife played the same tune on the piano over and over and over again, and the keeper he went pretty much insane and destroyed the piano and killed his wife and then killed himself. And people say that sometimes on super calm nights you can still hear the piano even now. Creepy. Really?
Straight out.
This is really a sweet little place. Just paddleboarding around. I love that little place over there. They're processing their lobsters over there. I think that's the co-op. It's nice, huh?
Yeah, so quiet.
so quiet. What a beautiful morning. Imagine owning that place. And if you're coming here to Port Clyde and you don't have a mooring, there's a pretty good sized anchorage out there. So you can come. Looks like there's a big catamaran. There's a big, couple big sailboats out there. Wow, what a sweet little spot. We've got a little beach here. Oh, beautiful.